Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In today's video I am going to redo these plastic drawer containers that you see here in this picture. I am going to spray paint them rose gold and apply the rosy marble paper that I purchased for my last video where I did my vanity, so that it'll all match up together. And this is how they turned out. I think they look very nice and they match perfect with my vanity. Let me know in the comment section, what do you think about how they turned out? If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching.